Greetings everyone. Today we will do question number 8 of exercise 6.5. And the question is, in figure, O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC and OF is perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, so start. And second one is AF square, this one, plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay, so let's start with first proof. Part number 1. First of all, see, we need three sides of this triangle and this one. So first of all, consider in triangle OFA, angle 1 is 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras, that is OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square by Pythagoras. Or you can write OA square minus OF square is equal to AF square. Sorry, this is equation number 1. Now consider triangle ODB. In triangle ODB, angle 2 is 90 degree. So again apply Pythagoras. OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square by Pythagoras. Or you can write OB square minus OD square is equal to BD square. This is equation number 2. Now consider this triangle. In triangle OEC, angle 3 is 90 degree. So again apply Pythagoras. OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square by Pythagoras. Now, or we can write OC square minus OE square is equal to EC square. This is equation number 3. Now simply add these three equations. Add equation 1, 2 and 3. So we can write OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus EC, or you can write C. So see, this is the part 1. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus EC square. Okay, so this becomes equation number 4. Okay, now we will solve part number 2. Now we will consider. Now consider the triangles. This one, then this one and this one. In the same way as we have done in part number 1. So first of all, in triangle OFB, we can apply Pythagoras, that is angle 4 you can write 90 degree. Angle 4 is 90 degree, so we can write OB square is equal to BF square plus OF square. Or you can write OB square minus OF square is equal to BF square. This is equation number 5. Now we will consider next triangle, that is in triangle ODC. In triangle ODC, angle 5 is 90 degree, so we will apply Pythagoras. Now I am applying Pythagoras directly. that is OC square minus OD square is equal to DC square. This is equation number 6. Now consider triangle, this one, OEA. Here angle number 6. Angle 6 is 90 degrees, so apply Pythagoras. So according to Pythagoras, it would be OA square minus OE square is equal to AE square. This is equation number 7. Now by adding equation 5, 6 and 7. So simply add equation 5, 6 and 7 and it comes out to be OB square plus OC square plus OA square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square, and it is equal to BF square plus DC square plus AE square, and this is equation number 8. Now compare equation number 4 and equation number 8. The left hand side is equal to left hand side. OB square plus OC square plus OA square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. So left hand side is equal, so right hand side is also equal. So from equation, simply we can write from equation 4 and 8. This is AF square plus BD square plus EC square is equal to BF square plus DC square plus AE square. Okay. So this is the part number 2. Okay. So I hope you all have understood very well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.